In this video, like every week, we're gonna go over cases, document, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. And also, I will check a U.S. Consulate update of 3 other countries today. If it's something you wanna know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding their immigration questions. And also, sometimes I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. But in today's video, like I said in the introduction, we're going to talk about document, cases, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. And also, I will check a U.S. Consulate update of 3 other countries for you, okay? Some of you guys who petition for your relative, either your spouse, your children, your parent, your siblings, and you receive an approval letter from USCIS. Your case will move to NVC National Visa Center if your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. In case your relative is already here in United States of America, then your case will stay USCIS, and your relative will adjust his or her status, okay? But like I said, if your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, then the case will move to NVC National Visa Center. So once NVC receive your petition case, well, they're gonna key in, or they're gonna put all the petition information in the system. They're gonna create a visa case for you, and then from there they will contact you. So once your case is approved by USCIS, you need to allow at least 45 to 60 days to NVC to contact you. And also it depends on your visa category. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer than that. So NVC will contact you, will send you instruction regarding what you do next, and also they will send you a welcome letter, which will include the case number and invoice ID. You're gonna use those 2 things to log in into NVC Computer Electronic Application Center system to pay fees, to pay immigrant visa fees, to pay affidavit of support fees, to submit a document for the intended immigrant, the person who will come to United States of America on immigrant visa. You, the petitioner, also, you're going to submit some document, okay? Yesterday, April 26, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on April 14, which is like, 13 days ago? They start working on those cases, okay? So let's say maybe if your case is approved, I would say like the beginning of April, where chances are your case is at NVC or National Visa Center level right now. Guys, all this information is available on NVC website. You can check it out for yourself. I made this video every week, so for some of you guys who don't have a chance to check the website, or some of you guys who are new here who don't know exactly how the process works, okay? So once NVC receive your document and your fees, they're gonna review those stuff and then let you know whether or not everything is correct. In case everything is correct, then your case will be documentary qualified. Yesterday also, NVC announced on the website that they are reviewing documents they received from you guys on March 18. Like I said, once your case is documentary qualified, now it's gonna be in queue to go to the U.S. Consulate, where the intended immigrant will go for interview, okay? But most of the U.S. Consulate didn't resume visa services in all categories yet. So in case the U.S. Consulate resume visa services in your relative category, well, that relative is going to wait until NVC schedule an interview appointment for him or her. So once NVC is able to schedule an interview appointment, NVC will send you guys an interview appointment letter with the date, the time, the embassy or the intended immigrant will go for interview, okay? But like I said, you just have to wait until it's done, because there are a lot of cases sitting at NVC National Visa Center level waiting to go to the U.S. Consulate. So you just have to be patient. I know it's hard, but you just have to be patient, okay? And also you can check on U.S. Consulate website every week to see what type of cases they are working on, or if they resume visa services in your visa category. And the third update today is going to be regarding email. Some of you guys who send an email to NVC asking different questions. Well, NVC announced on their website yesterday that they are responding to email they received from you guys on April 13. So make sure you monitor your email box so you don't miss any email coming from NVC. Now let's go in front of my computer so I can show you the US Consulate update of those 3 countries I was talking about. Okay guys, like I said, today I'm gonna check on US Consulate update of 3 other countries. You just click on the name of your country. If it's Belgium, you just click on Belgium. It will take you to Belgium embassy, US embassy. Okay, so the first country I'm gonna check the update for today will be this country, US embassy in Senegal, because I received a message from some of you guys who want me to check the US Consulate update for you in Senegal. So let's see what is going on in Senegal. As you can see over here, let's say United States Embassy in Senegal is currently providing immigrant visa services for all categories of immigrant visas and some limited categories of non-immigrant visas. So basically they are providing immigrant visa services, they say, in all categories. That's a good thing. And they say while the embassy aim to schedule visa interviews as quickly as practicable, capacity is extremely limited, and applicants should expect significant wait times for both immigrant and non-immigrant visa interview appointments. So basically they try their best to schedule visa interview, but there will be a wait times. Okay, so you guys have to be patient because there are no scheduling visa interview appointment for a lot of people. That's the reason why it's gonna take a little time, okay, before you can get your interview appointment or before you can go to your interview appointment. So as far as non-immigrant, they said for non-immigrant visas, the U.S. Embassy is processing visa application for student and exchange visitors, F, M, and J category. Also journalist, I, and temporary employment and investment category, E, H1B, L, O, and P visa category. Okay, and let me see. They say interviews for all other non-immigrant visa categories, including business and tourist visas, remain suspended. So they are not providing interview services for B1 and B2 visas. Okay, they suspended. So basically that's what is going on in the U.S. Consulate in Senegal, Dakar. So you can come to this page and read everything. Okay, to come to this page, you just tap sn.usembassy.gov/visas. Okay, so let's move to the second country. I'm going to take a US Consulate update for today. The second country will be US Embassy in Togo. So that will be Lomé, the capital. So let's see what's going on. So to come to this page, you can just tap on tg.usembassy.gov. That will bring you to this page, and then from here, here's what you're gonna do. You come to visas. You don't click on visa, but you just put the mouse over visas, and then you click on family-based immigration. And then when you click on that, this page will open. So on this page, you can read about what is going on. Is the U.S. Embassy Lomé can now begin processing all family preference visas and K1 fiancé visas. However, due to pandemic restrictions, U.S. Embassy Lomé is extremely limited in how many applicants it can see each day. Priority is given to IR visas
and the spouses and minor children of lawful permanent resident. So basically, they're giving priority to spouse of U.S. citizen and also minor children of U.S. citizen, as well as spouses and minor children of U.S. citizen, and also parent of U.S. citizen, because they are including IR visas category. Okay, so they say you do not need to contact the embassy to schedule your interview. We will contact you for an interview when we are able to process your individual visa. So they will contact you. Okay, you don't have to bother to contact them. So that's what is going on as far as immigrant visa. For non-immigrant visa, you go back to visas, you put your mouse over visa, and then you click on tourism and visit. And then when you click on that, you come to this page. On this page, let's see, okay, same thing basically here. Due to pandemic restrictions, U.S. Embassy Lome is extremely limited in how many applicants it can see each day. Priority is given to immigrant visas for 1, immediate relative of U.S. citizens, and 2, spouses and minor children of lawful permanent resident. Okay, and as far as a non-immigrant visa, they say the U.S. Embassy Lome is not processing non-immigrant visas, which includes B1, B2 tourist visas. When we are able to resume routine visa processing, we will update the website. You should not contact the embassy. Okay, so they say you don't have to contact the embassy. So basically, that's what is going on in Lome. Okay, and then the third country I'm going to check a U.S. consulate update for today will be U.S. Embassy in the Dominican Republic. Okay, so over there, here's what is going on. The U.S. Embassy in Santo Domingo is providing limited processing of routine student and work visa appointment as local conditions allow. So routine tourist visa appointment remained suspended at this time. The only cases that meet the requirement for emergency processing or are eligible for interview waiver are being scheduled. So basically, they're providing a routine, also limited visa, immigrant visa services. Okay, and also they're saying that they suspended non-immigrant visa services, so they are not providing any visa services in those categories. So here you see that they say for immigrant visa applicants, the immigrant visa unit has resumed limited immigrant visa operation. Okay, and also they're saying that the immigrant visa unit is currently scheduling visa appointment on a very limited basis in the following category, like adoption of appointment for adopt children of U.S. citizens, spouses, children, and parent of U.S. citizens, fiancé of U.S. citizens, applicant on petition by U.S. citizen and lawful permanent resident whose immigrant visa interview was scheduled between March 16, 2020 and April 30, 2020, and subsequently canceled due to the closure of routine visa services on March 16, 2020. So they are processing visa services in those categories. Okay, if you are somebody in that category, you need to contact the U.S. consulate. Okay, so basically that's what is going on. So for non-immigrant visa, they say because of limited capacity and safety precaution due to COVID-19, applicant should expect to experience delay in appointment availability, which is normal. So yeah, that's what is going on. If you want to read more about what is going on in Dominican Republic, you can come to this website, do.usembassy.gov. If you have more questions, or you still want me to check a U.S. consulate of your country, well, let me know in the description below.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, or you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below this video or hit USA Mon logo over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.